What's going on, guys? Right now I'm currently changing my exhaust setup again. After I had the stack and I took that off, I ended up just dumping it out the side here. But I want to change it up now. I want to do an axle dump. I'll get this all finished up and I'll show you what it sounds like and what it looks like when it's all finished. Alright, it's all finished. Turned out really good. The tip sits a little bit higher than I would want it, but still I don't really care. It looks good. Alright, let's fire it up, see how it sounds. So the first thing that I noticed after driving it with the axle dump is that it's a lot quieter in here. Overall, I'm very happy with the turnout of the axle dump. If it's something that you've been thinking about, I say go for it. Sounds good, looks good.